In this video, you'll learn how to embed Draw.io in Notion. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step approach to seamlessly integrate your Draw.io diagrams into your Notion workspace. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Notion's website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once the page loads, you should see your Notion dashboard where all your pages are displayed. Next, create a new page by locating the option labeled New Page on the left sidebar. Click on this option, and a blank page will open ready for you to customize. This step is essential as it provides you with a fresh canvas for embedding your Draw.io diagram. After that, click on a blank space within the new page. This action ensures you have selected the right area to start embedding your content. You will notice that the cursor is ready for input, indicating that you can proceed with the next steps. Now, navigate to Draw.io by visiting their website. You can do this by entering, quote, Draw.io, quote, in your browser's address bar. Upon arrival, the Draw.io interface will appear, welcoming you to create or edit diagrams. Make sure your internet speed is adequate for loading the tools effectively. Once you are in Draw.io, click on the File menu located in the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with various options related to your diagram. This step is crucial as it leads you to the embedding options. Then, select the option labeled Embed from the drop-down menu. A new dialog box will open, displaying different embedding options. This is where you will configure how your diagram will be embedded into Notion. Next, click on the Notion option presented in the Embed dialog. This selection indicates that you want to integrate your Draw.io diagram specifically into Notion. You may need to authorize the connection if prompted, which is a necessary step for integration. Following this, you will see a prompt stating authorization required. Click on this option to proceed with granting permissions for the integration. This step ensures that Draw.io can communicate with Notion on your behalf. After authorization, you will be prompted to choose an appearance for your embedded diagram. Select your preferred style, as this will determine how the diagram looks once embedded. Once you make your selection, proceed by clicking on Edit. Now, locate and click on the Layers option from the menu. This will allow you to manage the different layers within your diagram effectively. Adjusting layers is sometimes necessary for clarity in complex diagrams. Next, click on Tags to label your diagram appropriately. This helps in organizing and retrieving your diagrams later within Notion. Once you have set your tags, proceed to click on Create to finalize the embedding process. Following that, click on Copy to copy the embed code provided for your diagram. This action is crucial as you will need this code to embed the diagram into Notion. Then confirm the action by clicking on OK in the dialog box that appears. This step ensures that you have successfully copied the necessary code to your clipboard. Now, return to your Notion page. Ensure you are still in the blank space where you intend to embed your diagram. This is important to avoid any confusion during the embedding process. Type in /embed in the Notion page. This command will prompt Notion to recognize that you want to insert an embedded link. You should see an option appear for embedding. Next, click on the End option that appears in the drop-down menu. This step allows you to specify that you are embedding a link, which is essential for the next action. Now, click on Embed Link to proceed. This will bring up a dialog box where you can input the link that you copied earlier from Draw.io. Type in the link that you copied from Draw.io into the provided field. This action connects your Draw.io diagram to your Notion page. After entering the link, click on Embed Link to finalize the embedding process. This step will insert your Draw.io diagram into the Notion page, making it accessible within your workspace. Next, navigate back to the New Page option on the left sidebar to create or access another page if needed. This allows you to organize your diagrams and notes. Click on Add another account if you need to integrate additional accounts or services into your Notion workspace. This is useful for managing multiple integrations. Then click on Add an account to proceed with the account integration process. This ensures that you can access all necessary tools from within Notion. Next, click on Email if prompted to enter your email address for account verification. This step is crucial for maintaining security and access control. Type in the verification code sent to your email. This action confirms your identity and allows you to proceed with your account setup. Finally, click on Continue to finalize the integration process. This step wraps up your account setup and ensures you are fully connected. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.